The Great Barrier Reef is the largest coral reef system in the world, located off the coast of Queensland, Australia. It stretches over 1,400 miles and is composed of nearly 3,000 individual reefs and 900 islands. If you enjoy this video about the Great Barrier Reef, please like, share, and subscribe. At the end of the video, please use the comment section to ask us any questions about the Great Barrier Reef. The reef is so large that it can be seen from space. It is home to an incredible diversity of marine life, including over 1,500 species of fish, 400 types of coral, and various species of sharks, rays, and dolphins. The Great Barrier Reef is also home to 6 of the world's 7 species of marine turtles. Coral reefs are made up of tiny creatures called coral polyps, which build hard skeletons from calcium carbonate. These skeletons form the structure of the reef. The vibrant colors of the reef come from tiny algae called zooxanthellae that live inside the coral polyps. The algae provide the coral with food through photosynthesis, while the coral provides the algae with a safe place to live. The Great Barrier Reef is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognized for its outstanding universal value. One of the most famous residents of the reef is the clownfish, known for its bright orange color and white stripes. Clownfish live in sea anemones, which protect them from predators with their stinging tentacles. Another well-known creature is the giant clam, which can grow up to 4 feet wide and weigh over 500 pounds. The reef is also home to the dugong, a large marine mammal related to the manatee, which feeds on seagrass in the shallow waters. The Great Barrier Reef supports a wide variety of habitats, including mangrove forests, seagrass beds, and lagoon systems. These habitats provide shelter and food for many different species. The reef's health is crucial for the local economy, particularly through tourism and fishing. Millions of tourists visit the reef each year to snorkel, dive, and explore its underwater wonders. The reef also provides valuable resources for scientific research. However, the Great Barrier Reef faces several threats, including climate change, pollution, and overfishing. Rising sea temperatures cause coral bleaching, a process where corals expel the algae living in their tissues, losing their color and essential source of food. Bleached corals are more vulnerable to disease and death. Pollution from agricultural runoff and coastal development can also harm the delicate reef ecosystem. Efforts are being made to protect and preserve the Great Barrier Reef. The Great Barrier Reef Marine Park Authority manages the reef, implementing measures to control fishing, reduce pollution, and monitor reef health. Scientists and conservationists are also working on coral restoration projects, growing corals in nurseries and transplanting them to damaged areas of the reef. Sustainable tourism practices are encouraged to minimize the impact on the reef, while allowing people to enjoy its beauty. The reef's biodiversity is astounding, with many species yet to be discovered. It is a living laboratory for scientists studying marine biology, ecology, and climate change. The Great Barrier Reef has inspired countless artists, writers, and filmmakers, capturing its beauty and importance in their work. Educational programs and interactive exhibits at various aquariums and museums help raise awareness about the reef and the need to protect it. The reef's history goes back thousands of years, with Indigenous Australians having a deep cultural connection to the reef and its marine life. They have lived in harmony with the reef for generations, using its resources sustainably and passing down knowledge through storytelling and traditions. Their cultural heritage is an integral part of the reef's identity. The Great Barrier Reef is not only a natural wonder but also a crucial part of our planet's environmental health. It acts as a barrier, protecting the coastline from waves and storms, and supports global biodiversity. The reef's beauty and significance remind us of the importance of preserving our natural world for future generations. Exploring the Great Barrier Reef is like entering a different world, full of vibrant colors, diverse creatures, and fascinating ecosystems. Whether you visit in person or learn about it from afar, the reef's magic and importance are undeniable. It stands as a testament to the wonders of nature and the need for ongoing conservation efforts to protect this incredible marine treasure. If you enjoyed this video about the Great Barrier Reef, please like, share, and subscribe. This helps us to continue making videos like this for everyone.